This is XReal's brand new One S, and it is designed to replace not the One Pro, but the One in their existing lineup. These glasses increase the resolution up to 1200p and have a brightness that goes all the way up to 700 nits, and just like the box, they come in this sleek, nice new blue color. The screens have a 52-degree field of view up to 120 Hz and a 16:10 ratio. Now 1200p is not 4K, but every little bit of resolution helps, and I will take it. Like on the earlier models, they continue to be connected via USB-C on the corner. They have the speakers by, let me see that there, the speakers by Bose, and you can see on this side is the XReal One S. You do not have the full flat pancake lenses like you have on the One Pro. So this is, again, going to be more similar to the XReal Ones in their construction and their feel and their design. You'll see on the front of the glasses here, these are that same blue. They do have the slot here in the middle, in between, for the XReal Eye, so that's going to work here as well. In the meantime, I'm going to put these on my friend over here, and we'll let those sit while I go through the rest of the box. Like usual, also in the glasses case, you have your USB-C cable, and underneath is XReal's welcome packet, complete with the manual, a polishing cloth, and different size nose pads. So right on the top here you have your tutorial, which is a QR code that you can go through, as well as just some quick getting started, how to customize the display, what settings you have there. Then the rest is just safety instructions, reading materials, etc. And a nice XReal, this will be familiar to anybody who has the previous versions, XReal cleaning cloth, as well as the actual physical copy of the instruction manual. You have two sizes here, small and large for the nose pads. The mediums are included on the glasses, and I mean, this will unfold, but you can just pop these off and put them onto the glasses like normal. Let's put all that stuff away and compare these side by side with some of the other glasses that we have here. I have, let's see if I can keep all of these straight. These are the Ones. So again, black frame, does not have the pancake lenses, so similar here, as well as the One Pros, which are very filthy. I probably should have cleaned them, and they are the black frames. Again, I do have the XReal One, the XReal Eye installed in the middle here, but you will notice that these do have the completely flat pancake lenses, and that is a very big difference for me. And the reason why I still love these and use these on an almost day-to-day basis is because the number one issue that I have with these is if you have the glasses, the lenses, sorry, at an angle, you pick up a lot of glare and reflection from if you're sitting at a white table or wearing a white shirt, or if there's anything around you in your space that is white, that does get picked up on the bird bath lenses that you have here that are on a slant on all of these. So you're still going to have that issue with the One S. However, that being said, the XReal Ones, which are these, are now going to be, I think they're going to be left by the wayside, marked vintage or whatever XReal's term for no longer supported is. Whoops. Because the new One X's take their place. So side-by-side comparison here, the blue ones, the ones in this hand over on my right, are the new One S's, and these black ones, as you can see, have the slanted lenses. These are the Ones. So this is the outgoing, this is the incoming, and let's just line them up right next to each other here. Actually, that's the wrong angle. Sorry about that. Here we go. So the blue ones, the black ones are the Ones, these are the One S's, and you can see that they look to have pretty much a very similar form factor here, and I'll just turn these around. So again, now the One S is in this hand on the left, as you can see from the blue, and the Ones are the black, and you can see that they look almost relatively identical here. Pretty close. In fact, I'm having a little difficulty telling them apart other than the blue, so it is nice that they added in that different color here. I'm not sure there is any actual physical differences other than the color that you can tell just by looking at them. All right, well, that's the XReal Ones. Now we're going to take the One Pros and show you what those look like. So here we are. This is the One S, this is the One Pro, and you'll see side by side what that looks like. I think the One Pros are a little bit thinner on the top, and that's probably going to be thanks to those flat lenses. Let's spin this around here. So this is the One S and this is the One Pro, and you really get an idea there the difference between the two lenses there. You can see the bird bath versus the pancake on this side, and that does make a big difference between them. So if you are looking for the top of the line here, you still can go One Pro. Those are still available, and those had some excellent sales here towards the end of the year. But that being said, if you were thinking about getting the ones, take a close look at the One S, because this is going to be the next generation of the ones, and the ones are gonna go bye-bye. Now, one thing to note, I don't wear prescriptions, but I do get asked this on all of my videos. If you have the prescription inserts for the XReal Ones, they will work on these as well, because again, they're basically the same design. Now let's just rewind real quick and clarify a couple of things. If you're looking at all these different models of glasses and you're going, okay, but XReal, AR, VR, what is all of this? These are similar to what you would have with a virtual reality headset, okay? They're not overlaying anything on your world. They're not showing you screens in your world, although you can do pass-through, where you can look through into your world if you turn the electrochromic dimming off on the glasses. But these are for having a screen in space virtually in front of you. So you can take, for example, plug these into your iPhone or your Android phone. I have the Pixel 10 Pro Fold and the iPhone 17 Pro Max here. I've tested with both of them, works great. You can also plug them into the Mac, whether you have a MacBook Pro or another laptop, on the go, and you can have a nice big screen in front of you, whether you're watching TV, watching movies, or you want to have an ultra wide screen and do your work. All of that is possible. So these glasses are for that. Again, when you have that screen in space in front of you, you're not going to be looking through it. You're looking at it as if you had a physical screen sitting here on the desk in front of you.
Okay, gotta grab a weapon. And also,
Do you want to play that on a bigger screen?
what do you mean a bigger screen?
In my glasses.
Sure.
All right, pause. Now we're going to plug this battery into the switch. Oh, it is working.
Oh, you're playing?
Hold on.
Careful. Why are you playing?
Because I want to try it. Is this better than playing on the Switch screen?
Yeah, it's huge.
Is this better than playing on the big TV?
Yeah.
What I think the biggest announcement about these glasses actually is the fact that they are cheaper than the XReal Ones by a nice margin. The XReal Ones at retail are $579. They're usually on sale for $550, give or take, or $500. These, the One S, are $449, available at Best Buy, Amazon, etc. Not only do you get increased brightness, increased resolution, a better field of view, but they're also significantly cheaper. Well done, XReal. I'm going to continue using these in the studio and when I'm out and about, so if you have questions and comments, please drop them down below, and if I need to do a quick test or something, I can plug them in, power them on, and see if I can get that answered for you. As always, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, etc. We'll see you in the next one.